Welcome back to Project Lead the Way Automation Robotics YouTube edition. Here we go. So this week, right, the Moodle page has changed just slightly. So now we have past lessons. So trying to make this as clear as can be. So 2.1, observing mechanisms. That's what we did last week. So we had some at-home learning that you're supposed to complete, just looking at 6 different simple machines and look at what the input is, where the output is, the type of movement, and if it's speed or torque. That was the challenge. And then this week, we're moving into mechanical systems. Right, so we're looking at some simple gear trains and actually building them. So we click on our 2.2, and it opens up our page. So we have 4 different mechanisms that we're going to look at, 2 hopefully in class, and then 2 more at home as an extension learning activity. Right, so we have our week 1 mechanical gears notebook for good notes that you'll need, and then we have our lesson. So this is a review video, just a couple quick videos on the lesson, and then this video explains that I'm trying to get all the builds prepped and ready for demonstration. I just ran out of time today because I'm still trying to prep individual kits so we can do some learning here in class together. And then after we've got through our lesson and your at-home learning, we click on that link, and that goes to our at-home learning, which is looking at the chain drive and the belt drive. And I will have videos of those 2 working as well. Hopefully tomorrow I'll get those finalized and posted here. But this is just a little update on what we're doing in Project Lead the Way. I look forward to seeing you online or in person. Have a good week.